Hello there and welcome. My name's Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts. Thank you for joining me again on my channel. Okay, so today I have been playing around with the altered paperclip again, just seeing how I can kind of adapt it so it will suit a need that I have for my journals. Now, what I was playing around with was these tabs. So I like having tabs to kind of show the different sections. So these tabs at the moment show when a new signature starts. But I do find sometimes that when I am using a journal, if I have these tabs like this one's already kind of sewn and stuck on, if I've kind of got to an end of a section, but I haven't finished really with what's in that section, I kind of feel like I can't move on and do more in this section, if that makes sense. So I would like a tab that is movable. However, I do not want the paperclip showing. So obviously, things like this, the paperclip shows. These ones could be used as a tab put on the end, but again, I have the paperclip showing. So as soon as I turn it over, you're going to be able to see the paperclip, which is what I don't really want. I want it completely hidden, a bit like these ones here. Now, obviously, I could just lift this up a little bit and have it poking off the top, but I feel that that wouldn't be necessarily secure because obviously some of the paperclip is up here. And yeah, as you can see, it's wobbling about already. So I was trying to figure out a way of playing around with that to make a tab. And I think I have done it. Okay, so these are some altered paper clips that I have just been playing around with. And as you can see, no paperclip shown on either side. Obviously, these can be embellished further. I've just literally kept them plain for now, just so obviously I could show you. But yeah, hopefully this is something that you're interested in too. Let's show you how to make these ones. Okay, so the process is very similar to the other altered paperclip in that you need a piece of card, your paperclip, and then something else to go over the top. So this piece of card just needs to be big enough that you are able to kind of glue all the way around. So obviously on the longest part of your paperclip, you need to be able to glue all the way around. So it just needs to be that big. The bit that goes over that's going to form the tab, as you can see, now that it's folded, it is taller. And that's so obviously you've got the bit that's going to poke out of the end of the page. So this does need to be a bit bigger. I've got that at roughly 1/2 inch taller, so it would need to be 1 inch in total longer than this one. I have also made it slightly wider. That's entirely up to you. You could obviously keep this the same width as well. Yeah, this was just a little scrappy piece that I had, which is why I'm using this. Okay, so on the inside, all you do, so on the other altered paper clips, you would have put this right at the top. But as I said, as soon as you start pulling it away from the page, that means you're only really kind of holding it on by the bottom. So this time we're going to stick it down to the bottom edge. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. I suggest using a strong glue, so I'm using Beacon 3-in-1. And you just literally put some glue all the way around and in between the paper clip, and then stick that down, like I said, towards the bottom. And then just press down and give it a moment to grab. Oh, sorry if my camera's having a bit of a wobble. I've had to move where my camera is situated and it seems to, I don't know, I'm not sure if I like it here at the moment. I used to have it hanging from my ceiling, but now it's kind of attached to my desk. But every time I move my desk, the camera moves, so that may have to change again, I think. Right, once you've glued that one down, all you need to do then is we're going to glue along the top here because you want that sealed shut. Do not come down the sides, but you need to glue over here where your paper clip is. So at the top, and then around on your paper clip piece of paper, and then stick that down. So again, just going to hold it in place just to make sure that it grabs and it sticks. Okay, and then you have your hidden paper clip. Okay, so there's your slot which will go onto your page. And then all I did to kind of round those corners, now you can obviously use a pair of scissors to get those rounded edges, but a little hack if you have it, I have one of these which is handy for making envelopes. So I've got my corner rounder on one side and then it punches a notch on the other side. I know sometimes if you've got the envelope boards, this cutter is kind of attached to the board, so you can use the same thing. But all you do is where you've obviously got this upside down V shape, you only want to go halfway. So wherever the middle is, you want to slot this in and punch, and then it creates that shape. And then you just flip it over, do the same, and then you get that instant tab shape. Like I said, you can of course use scissors, but yeah, I just thought that was a really fun hack. And then I am going to round my corners. Oh, sorry, wobbly camera. I moved my table. I will lift up my punch this time. And let's just neaten those edges. But there we go. We have another tab that goes at the top. Okay, so that will stick up over the page. And again, my paperclip is hidden. So nice, quick and easy, and another alternative to the altered paperclip. Well, I really hope that you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, but you would like to catch up on any other crafty videos that I release, then click the subscribe button and the bell. As usual, you can find me on other social media platforms. Those links will be in the description below. Thank you very much to everybody for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this and you have a lovely crafty day. See you later. Bye bye.